starters, I had the miso soup, which was excellent. I'm a big fan of miso soup, and if you're a miso soup person, they do a very good miso soup. It was a really good start to my meal. The chicken teriyaki comes with broccoli. The chicken was good and went great with the fried rice. The fried rice was great. Carrots, peas, and bits of egg. The spring roll was vegetarian, and it came with cabbage and carrots. It's a pretty basic salad. It comes with your choice of dressing. I went with the ginger dressing. It doesn't look exactly too appetizing, but it was pretty good. The orange was a tasty end to a very tasty Thursday. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned toward the end for an after dinner mints, tips and tricks on chopsticks.